increíble lo mucho que se infla el maíz cuando se hacen palomitas. Disculpen. Es increíble lo mucho que se infla Rubble cuando come palomitas.
That was so nice of Tara to give us such a big gift. There it is! I see the exit! Here you go, Thunderfoot! It's working! See? They want the PU plant! The Dynamites will be ready for their nap once they finish their bottles. Question.
All right.
Why do they call them?
What was that? Stop that. Look. Hey, son. Get the... The tummy's kind of crummy. That's showbiz. Hey. Sorry. Loafers, give me gas. I found the TV remote. Oop. It's you, Worky. You smell something awful delicious. Worky, what's wrong? But where's Moldy's secret stash?
Oh, look at the mess you've got us in now!
Me? But you were the one that ate the... Ew!
Checklist. Right rudder, shake. Left rudder, shake. Air pressure,